Hello guys, welcome back to Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to talk about how can you change your theme of Google Chat application. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to change the chat theme, you just simply have to open the chat application, and after opening the chats, tap to these three bars into the top left corner. And now, after tapping in there, you will get the option of settings. Tap to the settings option, and after that you will get this theme option at general. Now, in order to change the theme, tap to the themes option, and then you will get these three options right here. First one is light, second one is dark, and third one is set by battery saver. Just simply select any of the suitable options for you. Now my screen is set into blacks, so to show you, I'll select this light option, and just by tapping you can easily change the theme of your Google Chat app. This way you can very easily do that. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.